I'm here at Portage Glacier with my dad. I haven't been to Portage Glacier in like 7 years. I'm excited to see a glacier. Portage Glacier.
You playing music?
You?
Me?
It's your phone.
Hey, let's go on. Music.
So I remember hiking this about 7 years ago.
Yeah?
We didn't get up all the way, but we just got like right under it. Portage Glacier right there. Okay. Let's try and get a snapshot. Let's go back to 2, maybe. That looks good. Last time I was here, I was hiking with some friends of mine. They came with, or actually they brought me. It was pretty cool. Yeah. I hit stop record. This is the Portage Lake. This is all glacier water. It's freezing. That's another random glacier, I think. It's Whittier Glacier, actually. And there's another view of Portage Glacier, at least half of it. Actually, a better one, but that just looks like a lot of poop stains up there. I think, if I focus long enough, I think I could see people. Yeah, I think those are people. My grandma, before she passed away about 8-9 months ago, may she rest in peace, God bless her. Wonderful woman. This was her favorite place to be, and just to be here right now is comforting and loving, because knowing that she loved this place is awesome, and knowing that she loved to come here is cool. If I'm correct, she loved to come here, but I think I know why, because of this beautiful view of another glacier right there. Not a glacier, but looks like a glacier. Another probable glacier, I don't even know. Glacier right there, definitely, and then Portage Glacier right there, which just looks absolutely amazing. And God bless my grandma. She was a wonderful woman. Here's a mountain. Here's some more mountain. I actually want to get a... Oh, that looks cool. Look at that. This is 4x zoom. That looks amazing. You guys ever watch those nature videos? He goes, what a beaut. There's another mountain. Yep, so this is Portage Glacier. We're here for like 10 minutes. Not here for a couple minutes. Then we're leaving back to Anchorage. I'm going on an internship still. I'll be in Illinois in a couple days. See you there. So I just learned how they made this. Okay, so this is obviously drilled and man-made, and like they cut it off and everything, but my dad told me just earlier those are dynamite holes. Huh. Wait for it. You are one dynamite gal. Had to make that reference. He said that they would blast it off, drill straight down, blast it off some more, drill again, and they did that so that they can make a road all the way to Soldotna, I think. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys Bird Creek. This is part 2 of Portage Glacier. I'll show you guys when I get there. Sorry for all the heavy breathing, but I just... Wait, can I go down there? Good. Sorry but for all the heavy breathing, but I just ran over here because I realized how far away it is, but I already made a video and I don't want to make a video and not make a video, if that makes any sense. But I ran down here so I could show you guys this. So this is what was so important that I had to run over here. Actually, I think there's a better view from up top. This view is sorry, but it's kind of boring. So let me go to shoot, what was it called? I lost the word for bridge. So let's go to the bridge. Boom. There we go. And there's some, sorry, but I'm like right next to a highway and I'm doing this, but I'm kind of gripping my phone tightly because this is quite a fall drop. But it looks so greenish blue. It's so beautiful. In the wise words of the nature walk guy, what a beaut. How neat is that? That's pretty neat. Well, nature guy, this is more than just a neat beaut. This is what a beautiful place this is. Oh boy. Can I shake the bridge? I think I just shook the bridge. I'm terrified. Just kidding. I wasn't shaking the bridge. That was just a bunch of vehicles passing by that was causing the shaking. I'm gonna shut up and let you guys enjoy this. I'm sorry, I can't keep this in. It's so beautiful. Seeing as though God is more beautiful and amazing, but oh hey, I think I can go through the rails. Hold up, let me see. As it turns out, this is about as far as I can go, get as close to the rails. But if you're wondering what all the noise is, this is what. Oh, wow! Just as soon as I come to show you guys what all the noise is, there's no cars passing through. This is kind of dumb, but enjoy this view. Terribly sorry about all the noise. There's just cars passing through. I do think it is about time I head back to my dad. I'm sorry about this, but this might be the last vlog I record until tomorrow. But what am I even doing an accent for? I can't even do a good accent. Let me shut up again. I do believe it's time to go back to my dad. I think I just found the next trail I want to hike when I come back through Anchorage. I really thinking about it. Seeing as how last couple weeks ago I got my toenail taken out because of ingrown toenail issues. So I'm walking better. No more ingrown toenail. I feel so much good. Anchorage, folks. You should know what this means. 101.5 kGOT. Made it back to my dad's car. That run uphill, tiring. Have a good day, guys. Also, just a little quick heads up. I ran the whole thing with a sweater on and pants. I need something to quench my thirst. Okay, it's a little overexposed, but you see that right there? You see that tiny, tiny mountain right there, right under the clouds? That looks like Mount Readup. I think it is. It looks so cool. I've never been able to see it this clear before. Wow. I'm sounding like Owen Wilson, but... And then you look to the right. There's some more mountains way out there. I'm all the way zoomed in right now. This is just amazing. Gosh. Oh my gosh. God, you are amazing. You are wonderful. Okay. There we go. There we go. Got it. That's as clear as I can get it. But isn't that so cool? Okay, now let me zoom out real quick. Boom. Just like that. Isn't that insane? Just how tiny it looks from here. But once you're over there on the beach of Kenai, it is ginormous. I'm gonna go look through the telescope.